Okay, let's meet Ava from Massachusetts, who had 2 amazing internships, including one with the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and visited 13 countries while studying abroad, which a scholarship helped her with. Ava is a DJ on WSOU, the student-run radio station, which was recently inducted into the Rock Radio Hall of Fame. Take us for a spin, Ava.
Oh, hey Alex. Hi everyone. If you had told me when I was a senior in high school that I would be a DJ at WSOU, the #1 college radio station in the nation, I would say that you're crazy, and yet here I am. I am involved in various clubs and organizations on campus, and I've been on the airwaves as DJ Ace of Spades to our wide listener base for the last 3 years. From there, I found more opportunities everywhere I turned. I had 2 internships during my undergrad, one of which was at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I then had the opportunity to study abroad in my junior year, an experience that brought me to over 13 different countries, and in the process, broadened my horizons and heightened my interest in further exploring the world. No matter what I've become involved in, the Seton Hall community has supported me every step of the way. I really love that Seton Hall gives so many hands-on learning opportunities. I found that my studies in both public relations and political science converged most when abroad, when I saw firsthand the political landscape of the countries I visited and the role communications played in shaping it. Without that hands-on experience, I would not have gotten my internship at the Met. My experiences in the Buccino Leadership Program and the Public Relations Club also gave me the tangible skills to help enhance my resume. I am so grateful for the advantages and opportunities that Seton Hall has given me. My time here may be coming to an end, but the impact Seton Hall has made on me and the doors it has opened will last forever. Thanks for listening to WSOU. I'm Ava E. Signing off. Back to you, Alex.
Great story, Ava. Students are running the show on the radio and lots of other places. Seton Hall is committed to giving students transformative experiences from their award-winning debate team, 3 student newspapers, conferences with faculty, and hands-on learning that's second to none. Thanks again.